Friends, today we are going to explain the movie Sikandar, which has a lot of hype at this time, so like the video, let's start the story. In the beginning of the movie, we see Arjun, the son of the Home Minister, who is going somewhere from the plane. Then he sees a lady and when he sees her, he is recognized that her MMS was viral. So now Arjun tells her to make me happy, otherwise I will show your child that MMS. On this he is afraid of the lady and Arjun is going to do that with her. Then there is the entry of Sanjay, who hurts Arjun and his bodyguard in a bad way. And Arjun also apologizes to that lady. Then when the Home Minister, the Prime Minister, finds out that Arjun was hit by someone, the Prime Minister is very angry at this and now how to do it? He had to take revenge for his son. Then the Prime Minister directly tells Officer Prakash to enter the Sanjay Raj court. He tells him to go inside so that he can show him the evidence. When Prakash goes to his house to arrest Sanjay, he sees that this is not a house, but a whole palace, and Sanjay is actually a king of the Raj court. Then he goes inside and meets the wife of Sanjay. And he said that Sanjay himself went to meet you. He had already received the news of your arrival. Then he starts going to Prakash, but many people see him outside. Who was angry at this? Why did the police come to Sanjay's house? And he also broke his car. Then Prakash goes to his police station from the car of Sai Sri, and there was a great rifle sitting with Sanjay, which tells Prakash not to mess with Sanjay, otherwise he will be destroyed. And then Sanjay leaves from there. Then in the evening, today is Sanjay's anniversary. Then he gives the party to his entire city. And Sanjay was really a very good person in his heart. And Sai Sri also loved him very much. Then after the party, when Sanjay goes to his house, only then do some people attack Sanjay, which had come to kill Sanjay. But Sanjay does not let Sai Sri get angry. And he kills people and leaves from there. Then we see that today Sai Sri has everything. But she always wants that Sanjay can spend time with him. But Sanjay was a king, so he did not have much time for Sai Sri, although he also wanted Sai Sri from his life. One day Sai Sri comes to know that he is going to become a mother. So he goes to tell Sanjay about this. But then a manager of Sanjay comes to him and tells him that I made a big mistake. A man came to me who said that we need 20 kilograms explosive and in return he gave me 2 lakh rupees. Then he came to the greed of money and I gave him that explosive. But now I came to know that the explosive was used to make people in Punjab suffer, in which many people were killed. Sanjay gets very angry and he kills him and leaves. But in some time we get news that some people are coming to kill Khadan's manager. And if Khadan's manager is killed, then this whole case of explosive will come to Sanjay, that he had sent this explosive to Punjab. Now in this way Sanjay is quickly saved the life of Khadan's manager. And there a scary fight begins, from where he Chun kills the goons. At the same time Sai Sri also goes after his husband. And their goons do a big sport. Although somehow Sanjay and his people are saved. Here Sanjay thinks that no matter how he does it, he will have to send his manager to court, so that this blame does not come on him. But there are still 3 days left to open the court, because Saturday and Sunday were off. Anyway, when people are going home, then only Sai Sri gets sick, and he cannot tell Sanjay that she is pregnant. Actually due to the sport on Khadan, there was some effect on Sai Sri, and therefore Sai Sri gets admitted in the hospital. Here in Monday Sanjay also gets his manager's testimony in the court. And this matter settles here. Then here big doctor comes for the treatment of Sai Sri. But no one can save Sai Sri, and he dies here. When Sanjay comes to know this, then he completely breaks down, because no one in this world saved Sanjay. Suppose his life is ruined. After that the doctor comes and tells that Sai Sri is an organ donor, who donated his lungs, eyes and heart. That is why Sai Sri's body takes all this out. And then Sai Sri's last message to Sanjay. Although now Sanjay was not able to live alone, and he always remembered Sai Sri, it was also great that he never gave his wife time. Then after a few days Sanjay comes to know that Sai Sri's eyes, lungs and heart have been transplanted by 3 people. And now they are safe. Then Sanjay decides that he will definitely meet those people, so that he can see if his wife's lungs, heart and eyes are safe or not. Then after coming to Mumbai, Sanjay meets that child, who met Sai Sri's lungs and he lives in Dharavi. But after reaching there, Sanjay sees that the condition of this child is very bad. And that child, Kamar, had got lungs. But here there is so much pollution. that someone's lungs will be ruined again. That means Sai Shree's lungs will not be able to breathe properly. Then Sanjay comes to know that there is actually a very big man named Virat here. He has bought half of the land, and half of the land lives on the property. So Virat keeps burning here for 2 days, so that the property owner dies or fears. In some way, this land will be emptied, and Virat gets captured on it. Mahi Sanjay comes to know that Virat is going to buy some other land soon. So first of all, Sanjay buys the remaining land, so that the property owner is a little safe. After doing all this, Sanjay became the hero of the whole property, because now no one will be able to get rid of them. After this, Sanjay goes straight to the house of a lady named Vidhi. She goes to the house of Vidhi, which is the eye of Sai Shri. Here it is known that Vidhi's father-in-law is very cruel, which does not give much freedom to the women of the house. And Vidhi stays in a good mood. Here her husband is also unable to do anything. Now after seeing Vidhi's condition, Sanjay goes straight to the girl named Nisha. Actually Sai Shri's heart has met Nisha. But here it is known that Nisha has lost her heart. But she is not working properly. That is why Nisha's death can never happen. Then Sanjay immediately talks to the largest cardiologist of the world. He consults an online doctor and gets Nisha treated. And Nisha gets better in a little while. After this, after meeting the 3 Sanjay people, she starts going back. Because those 3 people were safe in a way. But in the middle of the road, the minister leads the rally. And Sanjay was passing by with his friends. Then the minister's son Arjun goes to Sanjay. And he remembers his revenge. That I will not leave Sanjay. That is why he goes to kill Sanjay along with his people. But Sanjay notices this, and here the change of cars begins, because of which Arjun dies, and Sanjay goes back to the train for the court. Now when the minister comes to know that his son is dead, then he goes crazy. The minister was thinking that Sanjay is not the one who killed my son, and now he had to take revenge on his son. Then the minister finds out that Sanjay had come to Mumbai. So after finding out everything, he calls Sanjay directly, and says that you killed my son and did not do good. And your son is dead. I have found your wife's organs. I am not going to leave anyone. After hearing this, Sanjay gets angry that you will have to fight with me before you touch them. And Sanjay returns to Mumbai on the way back. Then after coming to Mumbai, Sanjay first of all, the 3 of them get the data deleted, so that the minister does not know about those 3 people. After this, he goes for their production. But as soon as he comes to the court, then he sees that Sanjay had taken the place of the bed. He has reached the goons to get rid of it. And these people were the men of Virat. Seeing this, Sanjay gets angry a lot, and he beats them up. Here the minister tells his man that the data Sanjay has been deleted. Now it is difficult to find it. But the minister says to put all his power. I want the names of those 3 in any condition. Now the next day Sanjay goes straight to the widow's house. Because he found out that the widow tried to kill herself. Actually, the widow wants him to do a good job, earn good money so that his children can take good lessons. But his father-in-law does not want the women to leave the house, because the women come out with women. The news of the crime continues. Then Sanjay goes back to the widow's house, that he should not have taken such a step. And he tries to explain to his father-in-law that he will have to be a little open-minded, otherwise everyone will be angry with him. But the father-in-law does not listen to Sanjay. Anyway, the minister does not know the names of those 3, but he takes the manager of that widow, and he makes a false confession record to trap Sanjay, in which the manager said that Sanjay was not. He was sent to Punjab. Then the minister kills that manager, so that everyone was scared and killed. The manager was killed. That means the minister had trapped Sanjay. And after this statement, Sanjay's name comes in the wanted list, with which all the policemen were involved in the search of Sanjay. Here Sanjay comes and meets Nisha. Then he finds out that Nisha loves a boy. But that boy had just spent time with Nisha, from which Nisha went into depression. And now even after the heart transplant, Nisha loves that boy. After hearing this, Sanjay thinks that Nisha should not break his heart. That's why he goes to talk to the boy. But here the boy does not listen to him. So Sanjay kills the boy first. And then he kills his partner too, which was coming in between. After this, when Sanjay comes back, he finds out that the condition of the job is getting very bad, because the day of the operation keeps on burning, and people are getting sick very quickly. Then Sanjay goes straight to Virat and offers him that I will give you the money for the land. And that money is lying in the van outside. I want that whole land. Then he does not believe Virat first. But after seeing the money, he signs it secretly and gives it to Sanjay. That means now Sanjay will clear the entire well from there. May Sanjay had opened a small business for Vedhai and his friends. He had opened a small business for them so that they could stay at home and make good income. And they are not happy. Now even the father-in-law understood what Sanjay said. That's why the family was happy. Similarly, the day starts well. Then one day, when Sanjay is wanted, Vedhai's family gets to know. And they start saying bad things about Sanjay. That I don't know what kind of a person he is. Now somehow the chief also gets to know. Who are the organs of the society? Who do they think they are? He is very happy to know that let's go. Now he will enjoy. Because of the condition of the earning here, it was very bad. And he was not coming along. That's why he is taken to the hospital immediately. May Sanjay gets all the sick people admitted in the hospital for treatment, which was close to 6,000 people. And all the treatment started. Vedhai and Misha's family had come to know that Sanjay is actually a king, whose wife's organs are with him. That's why he was saving them. That's why in the eyes of those people, Sanjay becomes God. Now the chief had sent the goons to kill those people who were saving Sanjay. But after seeing those goons, Vedhai's family reaches the same hospital to save their lives, where Sanjay was present. Misha's family also comes to the same hospital because they knew that Sanjay can save them, after which the goons of the chief also reach there. But Sanjay was already worried about Kamar there. That's why he starts killing those people in anger. Then there is a fight here, where Sanjay and his friends had killed all the goons. After that, Sanjay directly reaches the chief. And he kills him in a bad way. That from now on, don't mess with those people. And the chief was also quiet now. Kamar was also completely cured. That's why Sanjay is calm. Because those three people were completely safe and happy. After which there is light and tells that the court has cleared the case. Because they knew the truth. That you didn't get the blast. This makes Sanjay happy. Then when he comes out of the hospital, then he sees that so many people of the village have come here only for Sanjay. Because they had accepted Sanjay as their king. Which helps everyone. This movie ends here. Friends, how did you like the movie? Do let us know in the comments. If I give a small review, then the concept of the movie was like South's movies. And it was interesting to see. But the problem comes in this acting, where you can't connect with the character. No matter how cute Mahirashmi is, you will feel that she was trying to act. She was not able to act. The rest Salman Khan has seen it in his own way. As he was seeing in the last 3 to 4 films, there are no major changes. What else do you have to say? Do let us know in the comments. And what movie explanation do you want? Do comment. Thanks for watching.